guys, welcome back to the school project with me. So we just get a meet again and we just making the sunflower. Now we need this for the picture that we made it, and some buttons here. There's a lot of, and also some beads and some stem here. And this is the two circles. Yes, I'm looking at them, my daddy. And what's these?
See it. See this camera. You're not looking.
And some glue. Okay guys, let's get started. But first we're gonna do the buttons first. So it could be not long, okay guys? So we need to stick like this. So it could be more shorter. First we need to glue. Daddy, can you help me to open this? Guys, this is the flower button. Now let's stick it. There, all done. We're ready to move. And then I will turn by myself to put the glue on. I think I just put a little bit on my hand. Here, put the glue over. Guys, we already put some glue in here, but I think this is the right one. Guys, that's okay, it's too high. Okay, perfect. And then I will put my own glue.
This one.
Yeah. Let me just put the glue
Yeah.
on the surface of here. Sure the glue is sticky and flat. The glue is there. Okay. I think now we can put the buttons now. Guys, we're ready. We're almost done. So, we just stick the leaf. You want to stick right on here or right over there. So I think it's this way. Guys, oh, I forget the seeds. We're already done. This is the last one to say goodbye. I hope you can do it. So see you at my next video. Bye bye.